Hey there, college nerds! Welcome back to my channel, where we explore everything related to higher education. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss and demonstrate how to apply for any course at lovely professional university in Jalandhar, Punjab. Trust me, it is easier than you think, and you can do it right from the comfort of your home. So let us dive in. To begin, grab your mobile or laptop and open any web browser. In the address bar, type in www.lpu.in. This will take you to the official website of Lovely Professional University. Once the page loads, locate the admission button on the top menu. Hover your mouse cursor over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, click on the section that corresponds to your qualification. For example, if you have passed 12th grade,
select the After 12th UG program option. Next, you'll see a list of domains or fields of study. Suppose you're interested in pursuing a Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. Click on the Engineering domain, followed by Computer Science and Engineering. From there, you can choose the specific branch that suits your interests. Now that you've selected your desired course, scroll down the page to find useful information related to that particular program. This includes eligibility criteria, fees, and the last date for admission. Take your time to go through these details and ensure it's the right fit for you. Once you've made up your mind, it's time to start the application process. Keep scrolling until you find the Apply Now button. Alternatively, you can directly visit admission.lpu.in to access the registration page. Fill out the simple form with your correct details, ensuring accuracy in your personal information. Don't forget to read and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've double-checked your information, click on the Register button. And just like that, you've successfully applied for the course at Lovely Professional University. That's it for today's tutorial, folks. Applying for a course at Lovely Professional University is as simple as a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, remember to hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with future videos like this. Thank you for watching. And until next time, keep pursuing your dreams. Stay safe and blessed with knowledge.